I'ma call it out, man. What is this, man? 468, stroked out. Big block with the supercharge on it. Man, it's a clean 73 Impala, bro. Horsepower monster, baby. I want y'all to see this 73 Impala with a 468 big block. He said he wanna do a LS swap. I don't know. I want you to see it for yourself and tell me what you think. But before we do that, how would you like to know how to do a LS swap in an old school car that run like this? LS3 swap, looking at almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube, step by step. We did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well, step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. As easy as you possibly can, as inexpensively as you possibly can, without sacrificing quality or performance. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Hey, boy, y'all see that thing, man? Look, I'm going to call it out, That's man. A clean 1974. 73, man. How long you had this, bro?
I had it like a month ago.
About a month ago, man. Well, you bought it just like that, bro?
Yeah, I'm still doing the work in it.
Oh, yeah, come here, man. Talk to me, man. Look, man, what is this, man?
468 stroked out.
468 stroked out. Man, it's nice, man. But I'd rather have that LS versus the big block Chevy. But I prefer the intercooled engine build over the turbo engine build. Hey, man, y'all see that thing, man? This is beautiful, man. This is a beautiful build, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yeah, you say you had it about a month?
Yeah, I'm still working on it.
Still working on it, man. You too. This is always it's a project, man. Even though it look good, y'all heard what he said, man. He's still working on it. What you plan on doing to it, bro?
I'm gonna redo the top.
Redo the top?
Yeah, redo the top, repaint it.
Repaint it, all that there, man. Y'all see that, YouTube, man? This what I'm talking about right here, man. Ooh, boy, that green look like something nice in there, man. Wow, that's beautiful, bro. Man, it looks to be in pretty much a lot of original condition besides the drivetrain, man.
Yeah.
Wow, bro.
Used to be a dark green, but it's...
Yeah, man. Wow, this what we do right here, man, on Chevys R Us, bro.
Yeah.
We don't, LS swap, old school cars, man. This video right here gonna be on there. I'm gonna put you on, man. Where you from, bro?
Right here from Winder.
Oh, okay. Hey, y'all know what time it is. Hey, ATL, they know ATL, they don't know all the individual suburbs. But, man, look here. YouTube, man, this is absolutely beautiful, man. This is motivation for me and for whoever else watching this video right here, man. This is what? Putting God first. Time, patience, hard work, man. This is what it gets you right here. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Y'all see that double carb setup right there, man. Big block, baby. Now, this is a LS killer right here, man. Wow. Yeah, man. Yes, sir, boy. This thing is nice, man. I'm talking about beautiful, bro. This is what I do, man. Yeah, wow. Hey, man, y'all see that thing look nice, bro. Woo. I'm just gonna get a quick walk around of it. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. So this is a 1973 Impala Custom two-door hardtop. Man, this is absolutely stunning right here, man. What is this right here, bro? Oh, okay, okay. Where'd you buy it from? Out of Georgia? Destin, Florida. Oh, wow, man. So, man, man, that's what I'm talking about.
My first donk.
This your first donk? Man, y'all see that YouTube? He said this his first donk, man. In the car game for a while, though, right?
Yeah, we've been over 15 years.
About 15 years? So what kind of cars you been restoring or working on?
I got pretty much all the Impalas, 58 all the way to the... I'm still looking for a 90, what is it, the 95?
95, 96, yeah. SS?
That's the only one I need for my collection.
Hey, man, y'all heard that. He looking for a 96 SS. Somebody that got one for sale. I just met a dude earlier today. They got a 96 and he got an 88 box Chevy Broham.
Oh, yeah?
LS. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I love this car, man.
Yeah, that's what's up, bro. Hey, bro, you'll crank up the horsepower monster for us? Man, this sucker got a lot of horsepower, bro. Man, this is a very strong Chevrolet engine build right here, bro. Y'all hear that? Hey, let me get back there. Do that one more time. Look. Listen at it, YouTube. Look forward to connecting with you, man. The Chevys R Us Family, man. Hey, bro, you want to give a shout out, man?
I want to give a shout out to Chevys R Us.
Good deal, man. That's what's up. Y'all heard him. YouTube.